How to turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. To turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone, first go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you're in, you will be able to change all the primary settings on your iPhone. Here, scroll down a bit. Then, tap on the Focus option. After that, you need to tap on Do Not Disturb. Now, scroll down to the end to add a schedule. Then, minimize the application. Once you're on the home page, drag down the control center from the upper right corner of your screen. Now, tap on Do Not Disturb from the control center. Just tap on Do Not Disturb button to disable it. Once you're finished, you will be able to receive notifications, calls from your contacts. There are also other options to increase your focus. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.